Hello my dear friends. Now in this lecture we will discussing about enthalpy of compressed liquid. See, there is a one example. Determine the enthalpy of liquid water at 100 degree centigrade and 15 megapascal. So what is the given state? That means state first is given state number first. What is the state number first? It is given P1 of the fluid 15 megapascal and what is the T1? T1 is 100 degrees centigrade, right? So if we see from the table, water table, from water table, from water table, from water table, then the saturation pressure of this liquid, saturation pressure of this liquid water at 2 kilopascal. That means if the saturation pressure of the fluid will obviously less than the given pressure. Why? Because this is a megapascal. So for that, if the saturation pressure of the fluid, given fluid, that means the saturation pressure, if the pressure of the fluid P1 which is given is greater than P saturated. Number four, from a water table, T1 which is given is less than T saturated. Very important. Less than T saturated. Then if this type of situation is given from your table, so such type of fluid compressed fluid. That means what is the compressed fluid? That means a compressed fluid here, a compressed fluid or compressed or unsaturated liquid, also called subcooled fluid, या simply called liquid. These are the terminology used with respect to compressed fluid. So this is your condition for compressed fluid or liquid, right? So if this is our condition, so according to this condition, so what is the definition of the compressed fluid? See, What is your definition of a compressed fluid? See, a fluid under thermodynamic condition that force it to be a liquid. That means what is given, this is your thermodynamic condition, this is your thermodynamic condition, and due to that thermodynamic condition the fluid is forced to be a liquid. So if you determine the enthalpy, if the calculation of enthalpy for that fluid in three manner. First, by using compressed liquid table, the table is given. That means number first for compressed liquid table, from compressed liquid table, what is that? The pressure of the fluid is given 15 megapascal and temperature of the fluid is given 100 degree centigrade. So for that you directly measure the compressed liquid table. H is equal to enthalpy 430.39 kilojoule per kg. This is your from table. Number second is given by approximating it as saturated liquid. Yes, what is they said, if that means a compressed liquid may be approximated as a saturated liquid. That means a compressed liquid may be assumed as a saturated liquid at given temperature. If this is given, what is given? Pressure P1 and temperature T1 is given. For that, the enthalpy of the compressed liquid is approximated. We assume that the enthalpy of the liquid at temperature T1. So again from table, if you approximate, this is your approximate calculation. So from table at T1 is equal to 100 degree centigrade, the enthalpy of the liquid is equal to HF at T1. This is equal to 419.17 kilojoule per kg, right? This is your second method. This is your same fluid have this enthalpy. Now in the case of third, by using correction, that means by using a formula. What is that? If you use correction, number C, so this is as given as H of the fluid at pressure P and temperature T1, that means pressure P1 and T1 is approximately HF at given temperature plus specific volume of the fluid at given temperature into pressure of the fluid minus pressure of saturated fluid at given temperature, right? So for that, this is your T1, temperature T1, temperature T1, right? And this is your P1. So what is your enthalpy of the saturated fluid at temperature T1? What is that? 419.17 plus, from the table, specific enthalpy of the saturated liquid at temperature T1, it is your 0.001 meter cube per kg into what is the pressure? What is the pressure is given? 15 kilopascal. So in kilojoule, 1500 minus what is the saturation pressure? The saturation pressure is 101.42. If you calculate, so the saturation, so the enthalpy of a liquid at a given temperature and pressure, this is a 434.07 kilojoule per kg. See the beauty. That means what is your conclusion here? At same condition, the enthalpy calculation, the result of enthalpy calculation will vary. That means in first case, H is equal to 430.39. Case second, H is equal to 419.17. In third case, this your H is equal to 434.07. All are in kilojoule per kg. So all of you are confused here that which value are to be taken as a very close to that of a compressed liquid. So for that, see, this is your from table, that means compressed liquid table. This is your from compressed liquid table. This is your compressed liquid table, and this is your water table. This is your water table. That means this is your nothing. This is your saturation. That means this is your water table. That means this is nothing. This is your saturation, and this is your, with the help of relation of saturated of the liquid, this is your, by using formula. So this is your correct value, this is your exact value. So you can say that, sir, this is okay, but what is that? In this calculation you must have a table, but in general the compressed fluid table is not given. So this option will not taken into consideration. So now there is two options. Now there are two options. So you calculate either. If you calculate water table, these are given. This water table given. So you can easily find from water table what is the saturated enthalpy here. So it is given. So but if you calculate the error between these two, this is approximately error 26%. Error, it is like a 26%, error 2.6%, you may also call that, right? This is your error like 2.6. But if you calculate error from this to this one, this is only 1%. So always prefer compressed liquid enthalpy calculation. H of a compressed liquid at given pressure and temperature. What is that? H of the fluid at given temperature plus specific enthalpy of the saturated liquid at a given temperature into what is the pressure is given, P1 minus P saturated at a given temperature. So from this is given little bit more useful, right? So if this is your, we will discuss again such type of a thing in a property table, steam table. If this is your pressure and a specific volume, so this is your saturated curve, right? And this is your constant pressure line. This is your constant pressure line. P is equal to constant, right? And this is your constant on PV die. This is your constant temperature line, right? So in constant, this is your liquid region. This is your liquid region. This is your liquid. This is your, this all is the superheated region, and this is your wet region, that means liquid plus vapor. So in the case of wet region, the temperature and pressure both are identical, and this is your pressure, and this is this point, that means the graph, the dome, this dome is called saturation curve. This dome is called saturation curve. Saturation curve, right? And the dome which is a liquid side is called saturated liquid line. Saturated liquid line. And the dome which is superheated side is called saturated vapor line. And the saturated vapor line and the saturated liquid line is merged at a point known as critical point. This is your critical point. And this is a two-phase region, that means this is your latent heat, and this is your single region, that means this is your sensible heat, sensible heating or cooling, sensible heating or cooling, latent heat. So if the pressure of the fluid is less than, if the pressure of saturation, pressure at a saturation point, that means this pressure, if this is your saturation point, let this is your saturation point. If the saturation point, saturation pressure is less than the pressure of the fluid, so in this case, and this is, if you take, this is your, if you take, so this is your saturation pressure, let's suppose this is your saturation pressure, so the pressure of the fluid is higher, so this is your pressure of the fluid, let's suppose this is your pressure of the fluid. So in this case, the pressure of the fluid corresponding the pressure of the fluid is this one. So the pressure of the fluid is this one, and this is your saturation pressure of that pressure. But what is given? The saturation pressure of the fluid is given at 100 degree centigrade is less than that saturation pressure. That means if this is a fluid, there is a corresponding saturation pressure. So if the fluid have a pressure, and this is what temperature? 100 degree centigrade. So if there is a 100 degree centigrade, the fluid have a pressure this one, but if you measure the pressure corresponding to that 100 degree centigrade, so its saturation pressure is less. So if the pressure of the fluid, initially this one, but the saturation pressure of the fluid is this one, so the pressure will reduce or increase? Pressure will reduce. So if the pressure will reduce of the fluid to the saturation, up to saturation, that means a fluid is taken, and that fluid, there is a fluid, so if it is like that, if this is your fluid pressure, let's suppose this is your fluid pressure, and if this fluid will pressure will continuously reduce, but the continuously pressure will reduce. So if the pressure will reduce, so the fluid will try to convert it into liquid region. So it is forced to, what is that? A compressed liquid may be approximated as a fluid under thermodynamic condition that forced it to be a liquid. So if the pressure will reduce, the fluid is forced to be in a liquid state. That means if the pressure will reduce, so another saturation point corresponding to that. In that condition, the fluid behave as a compressed fluid. Okay, thank you.